In this video, I'll show you how to add a shrinking text animation, a clean and cinematic way to make your text softly close and disappear. Let's go step by step. First, open your project in CapCut Mobile. From the bottom toolbar, tap on Text, then tap Add Text and type the text you want to animate. Next, go to the Font tab and choose a font that works well for this effect. Thin, clean, or cinematic style fonts usually look best when the text shrinks away. Once your text is ready, tap on the Animation tab. Now switch to the Out section, which controls how your text exits the screen. Scroll through the animations and select Shrunken Fuzz. As soon as you apply it, you'll notice the text gently shrinking and fading out, creating a smooth and professional closing effect. In CapCut Mobile, text animations are applied directly to the text layer, so you don't need to add any extra layers or effects. To control the shrinking speed, use the duration slider, drag it to the left for a slow, cinematic shrink, or drag it to the right for a faster and cleaner exit. Preview the animation and fine-tune the timing so it blends perfectly with your video. And that's it. You've successfully added a shrinking text animation in CapCut Mobile. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fully detailed CapCut Mobile text animation tutorials.